Very good. Now go.
Over here?
Oh, inside. This is what you mean? Ha? Anong fix sign? Which one? Ha? Mascot? A gymnastic? Where? Pink sign. Gymnastic. What gymnastic?
When you come back home.
Oh. Dito sa may ano, kay Tita Bel mo, nursing home?
No. I'm gonna show you
Oh.
when you come back home.
Hmm.
It's near our home.
Oh. Oh.
1,000 flies went on my face.
Hmm. Ano, adjustin mo ano, ang kasi no, adjust down. Iyaw mo na down. Iyaw mo na. Oh, pero 1 put sa 1 or 2.
It's already on one.
No, i-put. Oh, wala pa na down, no. Yung ano. Wait. Oh, may just stay here. Stay there. Stay. Oh, may coming. Oh, wait a minute. Let me. Ito, come. This one down. Hindi siya ma-down. Oh, i-forward na 3. Oh, go. Para mapaspas ikaw. Para mapaspas ka. Sige, pedal. Na, sin down siya. Diba? Oh. Oh. Oh, go. Sige. Team na niya. Oh, flat mo ano. Ang air. Oh, let's go. Pagka if you feel that your leg is hurt, iyan mo na, put mo sa number 1 o 0.
There's no 0.
Oh, number 1. Is it going forward? You just squeeze it ano na, what's that? Na. Adjustin mo kasi hindi mo adjust.
Number 4?
No, forward. Oh, number 1 o number 4. Try. Kung mag-going down.
Number 1?
Oh, sige, try. Oh, na, number 1. Oh, see? Oh, see? Okay na? Oh.
Okay, before